friends, I'm Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zycustry. Today I'll be showing you a recipe of Maggi Manchurian. So if you like to eat Maggi and you love Manchurian too, then definitely this recipe is for you. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Friends, as we are making Maggi Manchurian, so here I have taken 2 packs of Maggi and 2 cups of water. Now let's move on to the pan. Here I have taken a wok and I'll add 2 cups of water in this. Now wait for a boil. Friends, you can see that water started boiling. Now we'll add our Maggi packs in this. Just add both the packs. We are not adding sachet right now, we'll do it later. Just stir it and wait for a boil. You can see that my Maggi started boiling. Now we'll cover it and cook it until it is done. You can see that water dried well. Now just switch off the flame and let it cool. By the time Maggi is cooling down, let's move on to the next step. Here I have taken a pack of Maggi. We'll just crush it. Just crush it nicely with your hand. Now you can see that I have crushed the Maggi nicely. Now we'll add 1 sachet of Maggi masala. Friends, here I have taken 1 pack of Maggi, so I am adding 1 sachet of masala. Just mix it nicely. And our mixture is done. Now let's see the ingredients for Manchurian balls. Here I have taken 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 tablespoon green coriander, half teaspoon salt, 3/4 pinch black pepper powder, 2 sachets of Maggi masala, half teaspoon chili flakes and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So friends, now our Maggi has cooled down well. Now let's add all the ingredients in the Maggi. Onion, green chilies, coriander leaves, salt, black pepper, chili flakes. Now I'll add 2 sachets of Maggi masala. Friends, I have boiled 2 packs of Maggi, so I am adding 2 sachets of masala. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So now I have added all the ingredients, just mix it nicely. Friends, you can see that I have mixed everything nicely. Now let's start making Manchurian balls. For that, apply some water on your palm. Take a small ball. Just bind it nicely. And give it a round shape. Friends, you can see my one ball is ready. Now same way we'll make all the balls. Just apply water and start making balls. Friends, now I have prepared all the balls. Let's coat it in the crushed Maggi. Just press it nicely. And same way prepare all the balls. So it's done. Let's deep fry them. Friends, for frying them, we need medium hot oil. Once oil is hot, just keep on dropping the balls. Don't touch it right now, let it cook for around 5 minutes. Friends, it's been almost 4 to 5 minutes, now let's flip it. Now cook it until it is golden brown from all the sides. Friends, you can see that it has got such a beautiful brown color. Now let's take it out. Now let's start making the gravy for our Manchurians. For Manchurian sauce, here I have taken 1 onion chopped into squares, 2 tablespoons of green coriander, 1 capsicum chopped into squares, 5-6 cloves of garlic, 2 strands of spring onions. We need few sauces also. For that I have taken 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 3 teaspoons of tomato chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now let's move on to the pan. Here I have taken a kadhai and I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is little hot, add garlics. Roast it for around 30 seconds. Now I am adding green chilies, chopped capsicum and onion. Stir it and cook it for around 30 seconds. You can see that our onions have turned translucent. Now add salt, stir it and cook it for around 30 seconds. Don't overcook the vegetables, just saute it for 20 to 30 seconds only. Now let's add all the sauces. Soya sauce, vinegar and tomato sauce. Stir it and cook it for around 10 seconds. To give it a nice red color, I am adding a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If you have, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Just stir it. Now we'll make a slurry. For that I have taken a teaspoon of corn flour. In that I'll add almost 1/4 cup of water and make a thin slurry and add it in the gravy. Just stir and cook it for 10 seconds. Friends, if you feel that water is very less, then add little more water. So you can see that our gravy has cooked well. Now switch off the flame and add Maggi balls. Just stir it so that masala coats on all the balls. So now we are done. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and spring onions. Okay, so our Maggi Manchurian is ready. Let's serve it. Friends, you can see that our Manchurian is looking so delicious. If you liked my recipe, please press the like button, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll meet soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.